What's up, everybody? We are back with another highly requested video. Today's video is about Sensational. This is the Dashley Lace Unit 40 wig. It is a blowout textured bob style in the shade 1B with 5-inch deep lace parting, ear-to-ear HD lace. This is synthetic hair, and you know we love getting on a budget, and y'all know y'all can really fleek some synthetic hair to make it look like human, overly expensive hair. So this hair also is a like I said, 5-inch deep lace parting wig. So the only thing about this hair is that you cannot part it in any other direction. It's kind of styled and formatted to just be in one specific style. This hair is so pretty. I really love it, especially for it to be synthetic. However, y'all do know the only plight that I had with this is that it can't really be plucked too much, and I am keen on plucking because I love a natural looking hairline. So what I'm actually doing right now is I'm going in and I'm plucking the part, because when I go to put makeup in it, I don't really want it to look cakey with makeup, and I don't want it to look like, you know, I'm just hiding knots of hair. I don't want to do that. So that's why I'm plucking the part right now, and I'm actually doing my best to pluck some of the hair in the front to try to give it the illusion of a natural hairline. But because of the way that the hair is built on the wig itself, you really can't do any plucking, because you're going to start showing the wefts and you're going to start showing the cap as well. So I will say this wig is definitely great for like quick throw on, but also if you're looking for more of a realistic hairline, I would say stick with like 5x5, stick with a 13x4, 13x6. You guys know that's my preference. But as far as anything else goes, this wig honestly is really cute. The style really, like when I first looked at it, I was like, you know, this is really curly, this is full of body, and I'm normally scared of that, but this style is actually very cute. Now I will say I am a little annoyed because I did not catch that my storage had run out of space while I was recording. So I did not get to show you guys the video footage of the end of it, but the hair is gorgeous. Like, it is so cute, but it's okay because I'm actually going to drop the photos at the end. So if you want to see how everything came out as far as makeup and hair, be sure to stick to the end so you can see. This hair is actually very full of life. When I say it has so much movement, it is so pretty. Like, honestly, I need this style right here. If they have this in like a 13x6, 13x4, 5x5, whatever, please give it to me. This style is so grown and sexy. Like, it just I wish I was going out or something. This hair is super duper cute. And then I haven't really seen myself in dark hair in so long, so to have, like, you know, black hair, I was like, okay, now I look super duper cute. Not to toot my own horn or whatever, but I was actually in love with this. I felt like I should have been doing like some vintage photo shoot. Like, the hair was super duper cute. Right now what you're seeing me do is I'm combing and styling everything. I'm pushing the hair back but then pushing it forward with my hands because I want the hair to fall a certain way over my face. Now that's another thing I was gonna tell you guys. So I am so used to my like hair falling to like the right side of my face, so the fact that it fell on the left, I was a little like, is this gonna look right? But baby, I was super cute. It looked really good on that side. Maybe I should start parting my hair that way. But I'm going in with my hot comb. I think I had my hot comb on about 15. And I just went in with some regular wax. I didn't even put any hairspray on it just because, you know, this is synthetic fibers and I didn't really want to make the hair crunchy. I didn't want to make it like, I didn't want to ruin the hair. So I'm going in with a really light hand, and I'm going in with the wax stick, and I'm going in with my hot comb, and I'm just making sure that hair, both where the bang is and just where the side is falling where I want it to fall. But other than that, the hair, first of all, the way it took to the hot comb once I put the wax on, you would have thought I did like a silk press. It just looked so pretty. At first I had took my flat iron out, as you guys saw, to go ahead and, like, you know, I'm gonna flat iron it, but I was like, no, that's gonna be boring. Let me try these curls. Oh, this is, like I said, I'm just showing you guys exactly the same information that I told you guys in the beginning. But I was legitimately like, don't be boring, Imani. Stick with the curls. Like, she is super duper cute, but this is what it looks like on the inside as well. So I'm gonna sit down and I'm actually going to take some makeup and put it on the lace, even though it's not really going to cover all the lace except for just where the part is. I'm still going to put makeup on it just because I still want it to blend seamlessly when I do this. So I'm going to do that, and don't mind my gel braids, guys. Yeah, I know I'm taking wigs on and off all day every day because I live an active lifestyle, and that's just how my braids look. If you don't like it, come do my hair. But yes, I am going to slick my edges back with some edge control, and I'm also going to grease my scalp because it's about that time to oil it and give it some TLC. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the wig on, and I'm going to put a little bit of Ghost Blonde glue on. Oh, if y'all haven't noticed a trend by now, use skin protectant. I'm gonna say it again, use skin protectant. And I'm gonna say it one more time, use a skin protectant before you put any glue or spray, whatever, on your face, or your, like, just, come on now, I'm gonna keep saying it. So I'm only going to do one layer just because I didn't want to oversaturate the hair with glue, because this glue is very, 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 very strong. But I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to let it sit on for as long as I'm doing my makeup for. But this is, like I said, why I got a little frustrated, because my monitor didn't show that my storage had ran out, but my camera was like, ha, gotcha, you don't got no much storage, you look cute, but you're not gonna be able to see it. So like I said, I'm just gonna throw in the photos at the end for you guys, and I'll let you guys tell me what you think about it. So I'm gonna be quiet, and I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my makeup.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think that's just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think that's just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch.
Right about here is where my video just decided, I don't really want to record anymore. You ain't got no more storage. But guys, this wig is super duper cute. I definitely got to give her a name. She's definitely a wig for the girlies. Like if you feel like you're not ready to dive into the whole plucking and going into detail with that type of wig, this is the wig for you because it already comes styled and it already comes nicely formatted just for you to just throw on and just go out the door. She's super duper cute. Honestly, I love the curls in this hair. It's definitely giving grown and sexy. I definitely feel like this wig right here is going to be my bestie boo, but be sure to check my description box for the exact link, because if you want to try this hair and you like the way it looks on me, because I know it's gonna look fire on y'all, be sure to click that link and get yours too, because I mean seriously, look at her. Like she's seriously mad cute. Like how could you not think that this is super duper cute? Like it's just everything about her is just perfection. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what else you want to see from me. I would love to hear from you guys. I know you want to see more hair videos, and of course it's coming. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.